I started traveling for work more frequently, staying at a hotel for several nights at a time. And when working at a hotel, it'd be nice to have a display so you have dual screens, and something that's bigger could be more functional than just the display on your laptop. So I was doing research, and after looking at several, I found one that is so cool, far more functionality as far as what most of the displays out there do, and I ended up picking this one out. It's got this handle weighing in less than 7 pounds, and it is awesome. 24 inches, they advertise it, although it's really 23.8 inches. I'll share a link to it. I also did see a case to put it in if you are looking for a case, but you can certainly carry like this. This display front part is protected, as I'll show you. It's got a lot of great functionality and adjustments that you can do. And being around 180, it's not going to break the bank, so it's perfect. It also does have a Visa connection, so you could connect it to an arm if you want to put it on your desk as well. And I might even use this here at home, where I can have this up for my notes. So when I'm shooting a video, as I'm like now, I have the screen right there on the side of the camera, so it's great. Now, this is a 1080 FHD IPS screen display. It has rotating capabilities, 100 Hertz, 300 nits, and it really is so impressive. Wait till I show you. Now, it does have a ton of cable accessories for different ways to connect. You got your power source as well. And then on the box, in fact, it mentions here the different accessories. So it's got a USB-C to USB-C. It's got an HDMI to HDMI mini. It's got a USB-A to USB-C. It's got a USB-A male to USB-A female. It also has a USB-C to USB-C for power only, and then a power adapter. So all that there. And now let me show you how this works. So the handle on the back, and by the way, you have all your buttons there, so you can adjust the display, the screen, the coloring, all that. And then you just open this up because that unlocks it. Now, what you then do is you fold it the other way, and then the monitor now comes out. So there you go. Look at that. I'm gonna put this on the side here for a second. It's got this here that comes with it. I would recommend probably keeping it so you're keeping that protected. Now, what you can do is fold this over. This has got a rubberized leg here. You could adjust the angle of this, which is so cool. And then this has got this magnetic piece here. Wait till you see this. This is so cool. On the back, it's magnetized back here. This just goes right in like this. And how cool is that? Now, here's where it's really cool. One, you can adjust the height. So if you want it at eye level, you can. And a lot of displays sit lower, so you're not going to get that great effect. The other thing too is you can adjust it that way as well. So if you like to have a vertical feel where you are working, you want something long, you could do that, or just turn it the other way around. And again, you have everything right here. You also have a speaker back here, so you can use this as your speaker, and you are good to go. And then you can, again, adjust the angle of how you like. So if you want it more straight up, you could do it from 0 to 75 degrees of tilt, and then again, you can adjust that. This is awesome. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I am going to plug it in, and I will demonstrate to you. So here we go. So we got the power coming on. Now I've got my laptop. Now with the laptop, what you're going to do is use the which I already have another one, but you have the HDMI mini to the HDMI. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this in to the side here. There we go. So that is in, and now I am going to connect that right to my laptop. And there you go. Now I've got my second screen right there, and then I could just move this right on here. And now you got a great big screen to work with while I'm traveling. And then I can come here to the video and it's really fantastic. The picture quality is very good. As far as volume on it, it's decent. It's not going to be the loudest. Let me go ahead and make this as loud as I can. So I think that is as loud as it goes. So if you have another speaker, then I'd recommend doing that. But I mean, it really works so fantastic. And again, you've got a nice big screen that you could take on the go. And as I mentioned, if you want to set it up the other way, you can do that. All right, so that is the laptop. Now, if you want to use it with your device, you can use it with your device as well. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm using the Type-C connection. So I've got here my iPad mini. So I'll give you a few different ways that you can see this. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. And there you go. And now I've got my iPad mini, which is using it as well with it, or my phone. I can do that. And then it's asking me if I want to use a desktop or mirror. So I say mirror, and there we go. And it mirrors it, and how about that? So it is so cool. Now, once you are done using it, then I'll show you how to put it away. And you could certainly save the box, but as I said, there is a case that I did see out there that you can get to keep it protected if that would be something you'd want to do. So let me go ahead and take this off here. What you do is just pull this off and lay this down just like this. You would take that sheet here that I had and I'd make sure to protect it so it doesn't rip. And then you could put the display right in here, lock it in place, and then this locks down and you are good to go. So how about that? So you can see here it's very strong as far as this magnetic piece to be able to properly adjust for the eye level. But how awesome is this? What a great purchase for right around $180. This is perfect to take on the go. If you are also somebody that does travel in your car a lot and do presentation, this would be nice. You might even be able to take it on the plane with you, especially with a traveling bag if you want to keep it even more padded. And again, you do have all the buttons on the back there where you can make those adjustments from coloring and other bits that you have on there. So there you go. Let me know if you have any questions, and I think this is a great purchase, and I hope this video has helped you. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.